What is going on today, guys? Today I'm gonna be cleaning out my gutters. You can already see leaves and stuff sticking out of there just from here. But the real problem is my downspouts. I'm gonna show you guys a video of during storms when it's raining real hard. The water doesn't even flow down the drains. It's busting out of the seams and it pretty much just goes right into my basement. And I'm gonna show you where the water pools up. So if we go right down into the basement here, you can already kind of see it right here. I don't know where it comes from. Now, I'm pretty sure because the gutters are not working correctly, instead of the water coming down the gutters and getting pushed out, it's basically running down the side of my house and coming into the basement right now. The only thing saving me is this thing sucking up the water. But you can see like the water stain where it's coming in and like pooling up right here, you guys. It's not good. This thing here is actually pretty crazy, you guys. You wouldn't even believe how much water this thing sucks up in a day. How much is already in there? Dude, there's no way. It's like half full already. And it's only been a couple hours. That's unreal. All right, we got the ladder set up. Let's go check out these gutters, man. I already know they're gonna be bad, but how bad is the actual question? See, over here, at least this side doesn't really look that bad. It does have the gutter covers on it. But like down there, you can even see stuff sticking out of the gutters, man. Look at that. I'm thinking first step here, we gotta just completely take off all of these gutter guards. There's really no good way to clean them with the guards on there, but look at this one, man. Look at all that debris. Unreal. Get that crap out of here. Just throw it in the grass. Who cares? Get her out of the gutters. I'm no gutter guard expert. Oh, look at that. They do just pull right off. These are actually pretty slick then, so they don't look broken. I should just have to take them down, clean them off, and we'll put them back on when we're done. Oh yeah, look at that. You guys, look at how nasty this one gutter guard is. Blech. I'm gonna take every single one of these gutter guards off. We're gonna basically just put them in a pile for now, and then we'll spray them down and clean them off. Look at that. That junk's already coming right off of there. Heck yeah. All right, guys, let's take off the rest of the gutter guards. That's gonna be step one here. Bam, there's another one. Get them out of here. Look at that, you guys. Look inside the gutters. Now, there is no downspout on this end here. So the water basically comes off the roof. It lands in here. It goes all the way down to that end, and then it comes out the downspout. This stuff here isn't the end of the world. Obviously, the water still flows with this in there. This is absolutely insane, you guys. Look at this. There's literally moss growing in my gutters. Holy cow. There's like an ecosystem in here. Look at this. We gotta get all of this cleaned out of here, and then the water's gonna flow so much nicer. Look at all that crap. Boom. See, some of these really don't look that bad, actually, which is kind of crazy. Like, what's the gutter look like in there? Really not horrible. A little bit of gunk and mud in there, but not like moss and stuff like that end. What I'm interested to see is the end that's closest to the gutter. That's gonna be the problem spot, I'm sure, because that's where everything's gonna pool up on its way out. Look at all those. Oh my gosh. Look at, what do you call these, helicopters? Wow, about 1,000 of them in there. I want to get them all out at the same time. That'd be cool. I can't though. They won't come out. There's so much wind right now, these helicopters are almost flying up in the air instead of down. Look at, yep, they're going back up onto the roof. It's so flippin' windy. Honestly,
I don't even know if I'm gonna put them stupid guards back on. You know how easy it would be for like maybe once a month or even less than that. Once every couple months, I could just throw the ladder up here, put the hose to it, clean it out, and who cares about those stupid gutter guards getting blocked up? See now if we come up here, you can see the hole where the gutter is from here. That doesn't look plugged. So I don't know what we're gonna have to do here. We might have to like take the gutter tubes all the way off actually to get them clean, because I thought I was gonna see more of a problem up top there. All right guys, so check it out. This is the hole for the gutter here, and it's looking like it's pretty clear from this angle, but I know once this thing gets going, it gets really filled up with water here. The water starts busting out the seams at the bottom, and I'm gonna fill this up just to show you guys exactly what's happening here. See, normally the water should be coming out down the tube. We're getting almost next to nothing coming out the tube, and almost all of it is busting out of the seams here, and you can even look at that. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah, that, and then all of that basically runs straight into my basement. So we have to stop this from happening. Yeah, look at that, you guys. Almost nothing coming straight through the pipe, and I don't feel anything, so it really must just all be backed up all the way up in here. All right, so what do I need to take this darn thing off anyways here, huh? Looking like some screws, huh? Flathead screws it is. Oh, beautiful. Comes right off like some butter. There, just like that, you guys. We got this flipping gutter off of there. Now we can figure out how to get this thing cleared out. And if I can't get it cleared out, I'm gonna just buy a whole new one and throw a whole new one on there, because look at this thing, man. Dude, it's so heavy down at the bottom. Look at right here. It is completely busting out of the seams. I bet you this entire thing, look at, oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, there's no water even trying to flow through there. No chance in France, Buster. Looks like there's another bolt on here holding this corner piece on. I'm gonna take this off. And then we should be able to flush this thing right out. Bam, corner piece off. Look at all that crap stuck up in there, dude. Why is this all pinched off? Oh man, you should open that right up. No wonder nothing's getting through there. It'd be hard for a leaf to even flow. Look at, oh, there we go. Look at that inside there. Wow, that is absolutely unreal. And I think it's thick all the way to like here. That's insane. I can feel it sloshing around, but it just doesn't come out. Look at that. Wow, that is insanity. Oh, look at this. Oh. Oh, now it's all coming loose. Oh yeah, now it all came right out. Look at that. Wow. And now this gutter feels 10 times lighter. That's insane, man. Look at all that crap that was stuck in there. All of this, couple little bits and pieces over there. Wow, that's insane, man. So clogged, like super clogged. Oh, we got flow, bro. We got flow. Take a look inside of that one. Now you can almost see the end of it. Yo, that could have been bad. Wow. All right, you guys, so now we have the entire gutter completely cleared clean. We know that for sure now. Now I'm gonna clear out all the mud and stuff in the gutter, and I'm gonna run some water down it so we can clean it out completely. And just like that, you guys, we should have all this crap flowing out the end. Yep, right out the end. Dude, I think we filled it up again. It's clogged already. Yeah, look at that. You can't have that much crap in there at once. That's just insane. Unreal, you guys. She's empty again. We got all this stuff out of there. Holy cow, man. All right, I can already see the trees. Whoa, literally growing out of this gutter from here. Look at this, wow. Okay, so this apparently is what no gutter guard looks like, right? Okay, so maybe the gutter guards are a good idea. Look at this, oh my. Okay, these have never been touched. See, you gotta at least upkeep on them. Look at, oh my gosh, yo. You could grow plants in my gutters. I'm not even kidding. Look at all this mud. Holy cow, you guys, sticks and this is nuts. Have you ever seen anything like this? It literally looks, and you know what? Now that I think about it, I'm pretty sure this place was like abandoned basically for at least 2 years or so before I bought it. We gotta clean this stuff out of here. Literally, there's plants and trees growing in my gutter. Look at, there's roots on that flipping thing. What the heck, yo? Wow, look at, there is literally plants growing in here. That's crazy. That is just messed up. I've never seen anything like this. Wow. Look at this one, zero flow. Oh my, way too clogged. Oh, I just unclogged it. Whoa, that's crazy. It was just plugged a little bit. Oh, look at it go. Oh my goodness. Imagine just that little itty bitty clog. That's all it took, was just to unplug it like that. And now we're saving the foundation of my garage. That's crazy to think about. All the water's just been running over the side and going straight down into right into the foundation. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're flowing. Now we're flowing. We got some flow, bro. All right, you guys, we got the entire gutter cleaned out here. At least of all the trees and stuff. Look at all that debris down there. Let's put some flow to this thing and get her cleaned out for real. Just like that, you guys, we went from literal plants growing in this gutter to now we can see the bare metal again. Holy cow, man.